Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. Hope you people are doing good. Do you want to know about Dave Sim reviews? If yes, then watch this unbiased review because we are going to give unbiased review for you for this website. So you will easily understand either you should buy anything from this store or not. So let's check out the detail about DavSim.com. It is the website that provides various fitness products. Like they have professional, beginners, and other people like dog walkers, athletes, joggers, etc. They provide services to such a group of people and are efficient in it. It possesses products like innovative products for cardio and other strength products like treadmills. They have a smarter and more effective way to solve your gym problem at your residence. So let's check out the specification of this website. It is e-commerce website. They are selling fitness product. It is less than 4 month old website. They shared the email address which is actually not matching the domain name and it can be a red alert. Moreover, they have not even shared the contact detail and physical address. They are offering refund, but that depends on certain condition. It is HTTPS secure website. It has been reviewed and ranked on ScamDoc and Scam Advisor. It accepts all types of online payment. As far as its social media presence is concerned, it has social media icons on the website but that are inactive. The positive point of shopping from devsime.com are: as far as reviews are concerned, the website sells quality fitness products for your gym at your residence. As a customer, you can get various products like treadmills, cardio fitness systems. Moreover, it possesses innovative products which are specialized according to your need. It has social media presence, which is an advantage for you to gain customer experience. It is secured with SSL and HTTPS certification, which secures your privacy. Negative point of shopping from this store are: it is less than 4 month old and therefore it is suspicious whether you should invest your money with this website or not. Moreover, the products are expensive in comparison to other websites. So the question is Dive Sim legit? It was created on 13th October 2021, so it is not easy to believe on such new website. It has HTTPS certification which secures your privacy and does not share data with third party user. It has transparent information about the owner on which the domain has been created and it is a positive sign about the website. Moreover, the website shows its presence on various social media platforms, but the website is not there on any platform. As per the review, there is no website activity on Facebook, Twitter, and other platforms. No contact detail have been shared on the website for the website or the owner. The website does not mention anything about physical address of the seller. Email address is mentioned, but it is not sure whether it is true or wrong. Zero Alexa ranking of the website. Its trust score is 1% out of 100, which is not a good sign. There is no customer review about the website on any social media platform. So as we all know that customer reviews give us a lot of help to decide about the legitimacy of this website, but we are unfortunate to find out the reviews about this website, so we cannot provide any proof for its legitimacy. So in conclusion, we can say that no doubt the website is selling gym product for your home. Like you can have gym at your home and it can be a good idea, and many websites are providing such products at your home. So we are not recommending you to buy anything from this store right at the moment, but if you still desire to do so, we recommend you to wait for some more information and genuine reviews to come, then shop from this store. And if you have personal experience of shopping from this store, please share your views and experience right in the comment box. We love to hear from you.